Okay. Let's see. One. He's got one. Two. Oh, he's a pro. He's a pro. Oh, three. Oh my gosh, this is art form. This guy's got talent. He's got real talent. There's a future here. Oh, and wait a second, the beautiful assistant. Actually, you could be next to him. Actually, Teresa, if you go next to him. Oh my gosh, this guy is good.
Show his.
Oh, look. The guy is.
Rick, I'll trade you for the wall. He's the next survivor.
Watch this. I mean, look, this is quite a show right here. Because, I mean.
Put on video.
I am on video. Of course. I mean.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Can she do this? Oh.
Sit, Rick.
Sit, Rick.
His eyes are all crossed. Your eyes are crossed.
Okay.
Makes it tough to make them out.
Terry, tell me you did.
You look like you're good. Didn't you? I know he's trying to watch
It was worth it.
But your one eye
Actually,
is
see.
like he's kook eye. See how he's looking? His eyes like.
Hey Rick, I'm starting to worry about you here.
Oh, he's got the bounce move going on. Huh?
This is, you're seeing your
You gotta do it.
college.
I think I saw this on a game show, Rick.
That doesn't bounce that high.
I can do it.
Rick, did you get the gift? You want I got it? Did you buy that?
I bet your parents will be happy to see you.
Nobody's gonna get
No. Parents are always happy.
I've never seen it before.
I already done this to my friends or my friends.
I know what I can get for you.
Hi.
Hi, Marty. Thank you for being here. I'm so glad you came and joined us. Well,
I'm sorry for my English.
your English is beautiful. Thank you so much for putting up with us. God bless you. Merry Christmas.